Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So, I hope all of you are fine. So, inshallah, today we are going to discuss about the punctuation marks and the rules of capital letters when we have to use capital letter. So, inshallah, firstly we will discuss about the punctuation marks. Okay, so there are total 8 punctuation marks: full stop, colon, semicolon, and question mark, and comma, apostrophe, and exclamatory marks. So there are total 8 punctuation marks. So inshallah we will discuss in detail when we have to use, for what we have to use. Okay, the first one is full stop. When we have to use the full stop, we have to use full stop at the end of the sentence. When we complete the sentence, we have to just put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Like she has completed her MA. So the sentence is completed, so we have to just put full stop at the end. Okay, so she has completed her MA. We have to put full stop at the end. Okay, and why we use to close this statement also, the full stop is used at the end of the sentence to close the statement and to indicate a decimal number. Like when decimal number means, in math we just write the 38.5, that is decimal number. So we have to just put the full stop between 38 and 0.5, between that. Okay, so that is also that is the way you have to just put the full stop between them. And the second one is comma. What is mean comma? The comma is the short pause. Comma is put to separate word or sentence when something is going wrong, so we have to just wait. Okay, so the second one is comma. Comma is a short pause, and we have just we if like we have to just separate the words and sentence. For example, I bought fruit, then comma, vegetables, comma, bags, comma, and stationery from the market. So that is the uses of the comma, to just separate the words or sentence. Okay, yeah. The third one is question mark. It is very simple when we use the question mark. Okay, the question mark is used when we just interrogate something or investigate something. So we have to just put the question mark at the end. Okay, and the WH question, okay, at the end of the sentence. So, like for example, where is your father? Where is your father is going? Okay, where is your father going? So we have to just WH question. So we have to just post question mark at the end. Okay. The next one, exclamatory mark. This is for we use this mark at the end of the sentence of exclamatory sentence. Okay, for example, it was also used for express the our expression or in sudden or a strong emotion, like that. Okay, so we are just have two three examples. Please help me. So you have to just put a exclamatory mark. Oh god, when we have to just there also we have to just put a exclamatory mark. Whoa, we won the match. we have to just put a after the wow, yeah, exclamatory mark. Okay, this is we have complete the four punctuation marks in detail. So the next one is the apostrophe. So apostrophe means like we add this mark, uh, we add apostrophe and s to form possessive of any singular noun. For example, this is Sam's bag. So Sam's after s m, we have to just put a hyphen like apostrophe marks. Then we have to just write s, so we can understand who's this bag. We can say that this bag, this is Sam's bag. Okay, so the second one, why we just put our add the apostrophe mark. We add apostrophe when we have to just use. We also use the form of plural noun or which does not ends in s, like children's visit. Okay, for example. So, and the another one mark is semicolon. Semicolon means colon, two dots, and the semicolon means one dot, and like the under one dot mean below there are two dots, so the second dot will be like a comma, so that is called semicolon. It is used between two independent clauses not connected by a conjunction, like Preeti is hardworking, then we have to put a semicolon. Radha is lazy. That is two clauses. We have just put the semicolon between the two clauses. Okay. Then the semicolon is completed. Now colon. What is colon? It is used to show a list. When we just when we write the exam, there are four kind of the there are eight kind of the part of the speech. So we have just we do that. We put that colon after saying to just show the list. Okay, so the last one is this quotation mark. What is quotation mark? Or we can also say that inverted comma. Okay, quotation marks is the accurate word of the high the of towering personality. So we use that inverted comma. Okay, so like for example, Zaid said, then comma, inverted comma, I will come late. So that is the accurate word that used Zaid for the information. So we have to just put the inverted comma for the quotation. Okay, that was the 8 punctuation marks in detail. So inshallah, we will also discuss the rules of capital rules of capitalization of letters. Okay,